Well, Master's gonna not be very relieved. Well, technically, we're always doing this. So, you guys got their own chance of that very spiritualities. Hmm, that's very final. Well, at least we had gotten their own ideas from this one. Oh yeah, that idea. Hmm. Somehow I'm already holding it, but I guess I could tell you this. Well, tell it. Alright. Well then, I'm gonna tell you this. You see, remember that kid? And also those three? You know, the sister and the mother? Let's see where. Do you not get what I just said? Oh, yes, sorry. Wait, what are you trying to say? Oh, okay, let me try it again, and maybe next time hear it. But remember that, like, that guy that also has his wife, and then somehow they got even killed? And I had no choice but to. And, technically they. What do I care? You're not even. You can not even listen to my story. Hey, wait. No, man. If you don't go listen to this idea, then I guess it has to wait. Dang. No, it's almost getting close, though. Wow, man. That was just hard to watch. But don't worry. You get there, Wednesday. Of course, who tell